Welcome. Welcome dear student in one another session. Myself Darshana Sandeep Shinde and our today's discussion topic is filtration and clarification. This one is our part second. First part we didn't cover the full topic, that's why we divided into two parts. In this part we study about the learning outcomes of our today's sessions are after watching this video students should be able to understand construction, working and application of the metafilter, membrane filter, sintered glass filter, filter plates, filter leaf and filter candles. Let's start our discussion. In this we see again what is meant by clarification and filtration. Different phenomenon related to this. Filtration is the process whereby the solid particles separate from the liquid or by gas by passing through a porous medium which retain the solid but allow the fluids to pass it. When the solids are present in a very small proportion, that is not exceeding 1%, the process its separation from the liquid is called as the clarification. Ultrafiltration may be defined as the separation of the intermiscible micellar liquid from the solid by the use of the pressure on the semi-permeable membrane. The porous medium used to retain the solid is known as the filter medium, and the solid which get collected on the filtrate is called as the filter cake, and the clear liquid passing through the filter is known as the filtrate. The various filtrating media employed for the filtrations are filter papers, cotton wool, glass wool and asbestos. Where filter paper is most commonly used for filtrating media for the general filtration. Papers are classified coarse, medium and according to their pore size for the filtration of the pharmaceutical preparations, and fine grade of filter paper is used for this purpose. Then cotton wool is also used for moderately coarse particles. Disadvantages of it that only it shades from the fine cotton hairs in the filtrate. Glass wool is used for the corrosive liquids specially. So it is used for the filtrating corrosive liquids such as the strong acids, alkalis, oxidizing agents. Example of its solution of chromic acid and potassium permanganate. Then asbestos is also used for the same purpose as the glass wool. It is commonly used in a gravimetric analysis for the collecting the fine part precipitates which are to be subsequently ignited. These are uh, commonly used filter press or filter medias. Then we see the filter aids. What is meant by filter aids? These are the substance which reduces the resistance of the filtrate to flow. These are added to the preparation in the concentration from 0.1 to 0.5% before filtration. The ideal filter aid should possess the following qualities. It should be able to remain suspended in the liquids. It should be free from the impurities. It should be inert to the liquid being filtered. It should have the particle size distribution suitable for the retention of the solid as required. It should have a structure as that permit the formation of the porous cake. The objective of the filter aid is to prevent the filter medium from becoming the blockage and to form an open porous cake, so reducing the resistance to the flow of the filtrate. Hence the filter aid must be light, porous and inert one. The filter aids are mainly used for the clarification process where the solids are discarded. The commonly used filter aids in a pharmacy are dimetomide, that is dimolo acid earth, and then perlite, asbestos, cellulose, activated charcoal, talc and kaolin, etc. These are commonly used filter aids. See, this diagram explains how the filter aids do their work. This is the filtration without filter aid. These are filtration with the pre-coat. and this is the filtration with the admixed or the P code. Then filter device used in pharmaceutical industry are filter press, filter leaf, filter candles, metafilters, membrane filter and sintered glass filter. We see one by one. First of all, in the filter press, there are two basic forms of the filter press, but only the plate and frame press has a wide application in the pharmaceutical industry. Plate and frame filter press, construction of its involved. It consists of a plate and frames. The frames is open and it is used as an inlet for the material to be filtered. Plate has a groove surface which gives the support to the filter cloth. The plate and the frame may be made of various metals which provide the resistance to the corrosion or prevent the metallic contamination of the filtrate. Filter cloth is fitted on each of the plate. The plate and the frame are placed alternatively and fitted in the outer frame of the press. Such a plates act as a single filtration unit. The outlet of each plate is connected to common outlet pipe. This is the diagram of the filter press where the plates are placed over each other. They have the groove and on the plate there is a filter medium is also placed, and by this way filtration process can be carried out in the filter and press in a pharmaceutical industry. Working of its involved. As shown in the figure, the filtrating liquid enters the frame under the pressure from the feed channel and the filtrate passes through the filter medium on to the surface of the plate. Then the filtrate is collected in the plate from where it is collected through the common outlet pipe. The cake is deposited in the frame. Then the process of filtration is continued until the frame is filled with the filter cake. When the process is stopped, the frame is emptied and cycle is restart. That means if the process is end, filter cake can be removed. The thickness of the filter cake can be varied by using the frames of a different thickness. Thickness of a filter cake depend upon mainly on its solid content present in the filtrating liquids and the resistance of the filter cake. Advantages of filter press. The filter media can be used repeatedly. Opening and maintenance is simple. It requires less space. It provides large surface area for the filtration. Efficient washing of cake is possible. Though it also have some disadvantages, filter press. It is not a continuous process. It is used where the proportion of solid in the liquid to be filtered about 5% or less. Then the process becomes costlier because a lot of labor is required for the washing and replacement of the filter cloth. Leakage between the plates may be takes place through the faulty assembly. Then metafilters. First of all, we see the construction of metafilters. This is the metafilter. Construction of its involved. It consists of a groove, drain, rod, which are packed in a number of metallic rings. These rings are usually of stainless steel and have a 0.8 mm thickness, 15 mm inside diameter 15 mm, and 22 mm outer diameter. These rings have a number of semicircular projection. These are number of semicircular projection inside the ring. These have number of semicircular projection on the surface, and when they are packed on the rod, the opening between the ring is about 0.2 mm. Working. The entire assembly is placed inside a pressure vessel and containing the liquid to be filtered. When a vacuum is applied, the liquid will flow from outside to inside. In this form, a metafilter can only be used as a stainer for the coarse particle. But for the separation of finer particle, a bed of a suitable material such as the kesar wool is used. In this way, the pack of the ring act as a base on which true filter medium is supported. Then filter leaf. This is the filter leaf. Construction of its involved. It is the simplest form of the filter. It consists of a frame enclosing the drainage screen or a groove plate. Filter cloth is used as a filtrating medium. The whole unit is being covered with the filter cloth. The frame used may be of any space, that is square, rectangular or circular shape. Working of its involved. The filter leaf is placed in a vessel containing the liquid to be filtered. When vacuum is applied, the pressure inside the leaf is decreased. Due to the difference in the external pressure and the pressure inside the leaf, the liquid move inside and filter through the cloth. The filter is collected and received, whereas the cake get collected on outside of the cloth. This method has advantages that the liquid can be filtered from the vessel and cake can be washed simply immersing in the vessel containing water. The cake can be removed just by the lowering air in the reverse direction. Membrane filter. The membrane filter arc is made a thin flat membrane of a cellulose. Derivatives such as the cellulose acetate, cellulose nitrate. These filters are brittle when they are dry condition and can be stored in an indefinite period. The filters are between 50 to 150 thickness and are available in the size of the 60 centimeter square. A membrane filter has a 400 to 500 million pores per square centimeter of the filter surface. The pores are absolutely uniform in the size and occupy about 80% of the filter volume. To avoid the rapid clogging of a membrane, the pre-filtration is required. The selection of a membrane filter for the particular application depend on the particle to be removed. That is shown in this figure. This is the pore size and particles are to be removed are mentioned. A membrane filter is fixed in a metallic holder before its use. These filters are mainly used for the sterilization of the both aqueous and oily liquids. Membrane filter cannot be used for the filtration of the organic solvents such as the alcohol, ketone, esters and chloroform. This should be kept in mind. Then filter candles. The construction of its involved. These are the ceramic filters made up of the porcelain Kesselgold or Kesselgold filters are generally softer than the porcelain variety. These are cylindrical candles with the opening of which connected to the vacuum pump for reducing the pressure under it. Reducing the filtration process. The candles are available from the range of the pore size which are designed by a numbers. The candle is placed in the solution to be filtered. The vacuum is applied and the liquid will pass through the thick wall of the candle, get collected inside the candle from where it removed. The filter candle gets blocked and continue with its use. This can be cleaned by the scratching the external surface with the nail brush and passing liquid through the reverse direction. Filter candles. These candles are used for the sterilization of solutions. These are tendency to absorb the material from the aqueous solution also. Therefore, it is not commonly used. Then sintered filter. These are made up of the borosilicate glass. Borosilicate glass is a finely powdered sieves and particle size, desired particle size are separated. It is then packed into the disc mold and heated at temperature at the adhesion take place between the particle. Then the disc is then fused to funnel suitable shapes. And then sintered filters are also available in stainless steel, stainless steel and has a great mechanical strength. These are how we much be liable attacked by the solutions passing through them. Sintered glass filters are available in different pore size and hence funnel with the centered filters are numbered according to their particle size. Then pre-filtration is given to increase the rate of the filtration. These treatment are mainly to the slurry and hence filtration of the treatment. These include the following treatment: sedimentation or settling, viscosity by reducing heat, pH, separation of the protein, agglomeration of the removal of globules with the talc, removal of protein and tannins, and addition of filter aids. In this session, we cover the metafilter, membrane filter, sintered glass filtered, then filter press, filter leaf, and filter candles working, construction, and its application. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.